Picture a typical day on a traditional farm. Backbreaking work, constant guessing about water and soil needs, and endless hours spent on manual tasks. Now, fast forward to today's smart farm, where technology does the heavy lifting. Sensors provide real-time insights, and farmers can manage their crops with just a few taps on their phones. The transformation isn't just impressive. It's essential for meeting the challenges of modern agriculture. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of smart gardening tools that are revolutionizing farming. We've broken this down into 4 key parts for you. First, we'll explore why smart farming isn't just a luxury, but a necessity in today's changing climate. Then, we'll walk you through the must-have smart tools that are making waves in modern farming, from soil sensors to automated maintenance systems. Next, we'll give you a practical roadmap for implementing these tools in your own operation, complete with budget considerations and setup guides. Finally, we'll peek into the future of farming, exploring upcoming technologies that will shape the next generation of agriculture. Let's get started and transform your garden into a smart, efficient powerhouse. The smart farming revolution. Hold on to your gardening gloves, because what I'm about to share will completely change how you think about farming. Imagine waking up at dawn, your back already aching from yesterday's work, spending hours guessing if your crops need water, and manually checking every plant for problems. That's old-school farming. Now picture this instead. You grab your morning coffee, open your phone, and instantly know your soil's moisture levels, what areas need attention, and which crops are thriving, all before stepping outside. The difference is like switching from a horse-drawn cart to a Tesla, and trust me, you won't want to look back. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about making life easier, though who doesn't want that? Our planet is throwing some serious curveballs at farmers these days. We're talking about crazy weather patterns that make your grandpa's farming almanac look like ancient history, heat waves that pop up out of nowhere, and rain that either floods your fields or doesn't show up at all. And let's get real about labor. Finding reliable help these days is like finding a 4-leaf clover in a haystack. This is exactly why smart farming tools aren't just cool gadgets. They're your secret weapon for survival in modern agriculture. These smart tools are like having a whole team of experts working 24/7, watching your crops, saving water, and making decisions based on real data, not hunches. The best part? While traditional farmers are still playing guessing games with their resources, smart farmers are cutting water waste by 30%, slashing labor costs, and growing more food with less stress. In today's farming world, it's not just about working harder, it's about farming smarter, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. Essential smart tools for modern farmers. Let's dive into the game-changing tools that are transforming backyard gardens into high-tech farming powerhouses. First up is your new best friend, the ECOWITT 5360B Smart Soil System. Imagine having a tiny scientist in your soil 24/7, instantly telling your phone when your plants are thirsty, if the soil pH is off, or if nutrients are running low. No more guessing games. This smart little device sends alerts right to your phone, showing you exactly what your garden needs and when it needs it. And if you're a data geek like me, you'll love watching your garden's trends over time. But wait, it gets even better. The Growlink environmental controller takes things to the next level. Think of it as your garden's personal assistant. It doesn't just monitor your soil, it watches everything from ground moisture to air temperature. And here's the cool part. It can actually respond automatically. If your plants need water, it handles it. If the temperature's off, it adjusts. It's like having a master gardener working for you 24/7. Now, let's talk about smart irrigation. Because who hasn't accidentally drowned their plants or forgotten to water them? The Netro Sprite Smart Controller is like having a weather-watching wizard in your garden. It checks the forecast, knows your soil conditions, and waters your plants exactly when they need it. And the RainMachine Touch HD 12? This smart device has literally saved gardeners thousands of gallons of water. It breaks your garden into zones, so your thirsty tomatoes get more water while your drought-resistant herbs get less. Here's where it gets really sci-fi cool. The Tertill weeding robot. Picture a solar-powered little tank that patrols your garden day and night, taking out weeds before they become a problem. No more back-breaking weeding sessions. And its cousin, the Works Landroid robot mower, uses GPS to navigate your lawn like a pro, keeping your grass perfectly trimmed while you sip lemonade on the porch. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about your garden security system. Smart garden cameras don't just watch for intruders. They track plant growth, spot pest problems before they spread, and let you check on your garden from anywhere in the world. Pair that with a climate control system that manages temperature, humidity, and airflow automatically, and you've got yourself a garden that practically runs itself. These aren't just fancy gadgets. They're your ticket to bigger harvests, with less work, less waste, and less worry. Implementation roadmap. Now that you're excited about all these amazing smart tools, let's get real about how to bring them into your garden without breaking the bank or losing your mind. First things first, you need to be smart about getting smart. Start by measuring your garden size. Trust me, you don't want to buy a robot mower that's meant for a football field when you've got a backyard patch. Take a good look at what's giving you the biggest headaches right now. Is it the endless weeding? The water bill? Or maybe you're just tired of guessing when to water? Write it all down. Set a realistic budget and check if you've got the basics like good Wi-Fi coverage and power sources where you need them. Here's the secret to success. Don't try to turn your garden into a sci-fi movie overnight. Start with the basics. A good soil monitoring system and maybe a smart irrigation controller. These are your foundation, and they'll start saving you money right away. Once you've got those mastered, then you can level up to those cool automated tools like the weeding robot or smart mower. And finally, when you're ready, bring in the advanced stuff like integrated camera systems and climate controls. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid foundation before adding the fancy roof. Let's talk money, because that's what we're all thinking about, right? A basic smart garden setup might cost you around $500 to $1,000 to start, but here's the exciting part. Most gardeners see that money coming back within the first growing season. How? You'll cut your water bill by up to 30%, save countless hours on manual labor. Time is money, folks. And boost your crop yields by at least 20%. Plus, your plants will be healthier, which means fewer replacements and less waste. The best part? While traditional gardens need constant attention, your smart garden will practically run itself, freeing you up to actually enjoy your garden. Or, hey, maybe even take a vacation without worrying about everything dying. Setting up these tools is pretty straightforward, but let me share some pro tips. Always start with a soil test before installing any sensors. Place your Wi-Fi hub in a spot where it can reach all your garden zones. And here's a mistake I see all the time. Don't skip the calibration steps. Sure, it takes a few extra minutes, but it's the difference between a smart garden and a truly intelligent one. Schedule regular maintenance checks. Once a month is usually perfect, and keep your software updated. Trust me, these simple steps will save you from some major headaches down the road. The future of smart farming. Hold onto your gardening gloves because what's coming next in smart farming will blow your mind. Imagine AI systems that can predict your harvest yield months in advance, spot plant diseases before they even show symptoms, and tell you exactly when to rotate your crops for maximum output. We're talking about robots that don't just follow programs. They actually learn from your garden's specific needs and adapt their care routines accordingly. And those drones you see buzzing around, they're about to become your aerial farming partners, monitoring crops from above and even helping with precision harvesting. But here's where it gets really exciting. Everything in your garden is about to get connected in ways we never imagined. Picture a world where every plant has its own digital identity, with sensors talking to each other, making split-second decisions about care, and automatically adjusting to changes in weather, soil conditions, or plant health. And thanks to blockchain technology, you'll be able to track every tomato from seed to sale, ensuring quality and freshness every step of the way. The future of farming isn't just about growing food. It's about growing it smarter, more efficiently, and more sustainably than ever before. Get ready for farming to go vertical, with smart systems managing multi-story growing operations right in the heart of cities. Climate-adaptive systems will help your garden thrive no matter what weather challenges come your way, while neural networks will make decisions about crop management that even experienced farmers might miss. This isn't science fiction. This is farming's next chapter, and it's happening faster than you think. Hey garden enthusiasts! If you're as excited about the future of smart farming as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button at Smart Farming Inside. Smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest smart farming innovations. Drop a comment below telling me which smart tool you're most excited to try in your garden. Together, we're revolutionizing farming, one smart garden at a time. See you in the next video, where we'll dive deep into some advanced farming solutions you won't want to miss.